Hello, my name is Song from Enbon Group. Today I'm going to reply some questions. An LED screen is not manufactured as a single integrated panel, but assembled from multiple standard cabinet modules. Each cabinet is equipped with an independent power supply, control system, and LED lamp modules, similar to building blocks that allow unlimited expansion. Large screens for stages or shopping malls are essentially formed by combining numerous small units to display a unified image. The decisive factor is pixel pitch, marked as p-value. A smaller pixel pitch means more pixels per unit area, delivering finer and clearer visuals. For example, P2 screens outperform P5 in definition. Two additional influencing factors. Viewing distance. Grayness is more noticeable when viewed up close. Resolution of input video source. In short, denser pixels plus appropriate viewing distance equals superior clarity. Most LED screens last 5 to 8 years under regular operating conditions. Service life varies based on 3 key conditions. The first is operating environment. Outdoor installation degrades faster. The second is daily operating hours. Continuous long-time operating accelerates wear. The third is routine maintenance. Regular upkeep extends service life. LED lamps gradually lose brightness over time instead of falling abruptly. LED screen is a complete system rather than a standalone product, with pricing determined by the following components. LED chip quality determines brightness, service life, and operational stability. Pixel pitch. Smaller pitch comes with higher cost due to denser pixel arrangement. Driver IC and control system govern grayscale, refresh rate, and overall image quality. Structural craftsmanship. Precision of cabinet assembling, seamless splicing, and protective performance. Extra cost applied to outdoor models with waterproof, dustproof, and high temperature resistance features.